second Denver Airport train of 2023. Let's see what's going on down at the train station today. A whole lot of nothing. Anyway, I am on the wrong side of the train. Because it's going to be the north train that boards. Or the northbound side here is where it's going to go north. Because there's an out-of-service train. I gotta get on the front car. Looks like they're still using the C100s. Which is... Actually, I didn't expect that. It's funny, this is a temporary door. It's got a reader on it. I'll have to wait for this platform to clear.
It's the airline.
So this is the front platform. I try to get on the front of the car as usual. Hopefully we can make that happen. Yep, still using the C100s. This is a C100 train, except for that car.
Please do not leave items unattended. Report any unattended bags and suspicious behavior to the nearest airport.
Cram onto the left side like I usually do. We'll get a fuzzy view out of that window. We're still not using the new cars. It's actually the amount of people that were on screen. There's not a lot on the train.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all A gates. Please continue to hold on.
I'm sure ours is 6 now, so I'm sure this is late. Well, at least it's Friday night. I don't have to do tomorrow. If I wake up wondering what day it is, I'm fine. So I Grubhub last night. You what? Grubhub. Oh, did you? Yeah. That's cool. They don't have no snacks or nothing there. I didn't care. Oh, well, those things, no. I mean, I like the water thing and the oranges, but I didn't care for it. It was cute. It was just like, I like my regular food. I'd rather use smoothie.
Guys, they're still not using the new cars that they
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all A gates. Exit here for all A gates. Please watch your step.
Look at all those fans.
There's a specific number of them. I want to say it's
Why are they
5280.
there?
It's an art project that's been here since the airport was built.
Oh, really?
There's, I believe, 5,280 of them, which represents the height of the city. And then the number of blades is actually significant too. That's like 10,000 something. I don't remember the exact
The
one.
doors are closing.
On the other side, there's like a mirror, sort of like a light show on the other side. They used to have the blue lights that lit up the fans and stuff here on this side. Most of them died and they never replaced them.
Wow.
So, yeah, the other side, it's like a little rainbow, like reflective stuff that glows in like rainbow colors when a train passes by it.
I'm not recording you. I'm just recording for my kids. I promise.
Oh, no, you're good. I record videos of this train every time I'm here.
You do?
Yeah, I have a whole series for the past decade.
That's really cool.
So,
Does anything ever change?
well, they're putting in new train cars. I was actually expecting them to be here by now and be using them, but these are still the old ones. Well, this is actually a newer one than the original ones. This one's a 2007 car. The ones behind us are from 95. So,
What's up with all the creepy murals in this?
it's just whatever art they commissioned. It's just, nobody really knows why they chose it, but whoever was in charge of it just decided that was what was good.
Awful.
Please
Yeah.
watch your
Child
step.
sacrificing, Sadie, kind of creepy.
It represents some sort of dystopian post-apocalyptic outlook. Like, I guess it was what the artist figured would eventually happen. And the sad thing is it feels like we're getting to some of that sometimes.
Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all sea gates.
I can appreciate that. Yes. We don't have to walk. Right.
Someone must have held up one of the other cars. They usually leave right as the doors close.
Yeah, I'm like, good.
Every one of them moves at the same time. So if you like block one of the doors, it shuts off the whole system for whatever duration that whatever train is blocked for.
Looks like we're head on with somebody.
That's the maintenance station.
Okay.
So you can actually ride this around the back circle, and I usually do for the videos that I do. It'll tell you to get off, but you don't really have to.
Station for all sea gates.
And you can see the little maintenance terminal a little bit back there. You can see the trains. That's one of them that's sitting there
For all sea
out of
gates.
service.
Cool. Enjoy your flight.
Please.
Oh,
You going
thank
home
you.
or are you going somewhere?
Visiting family,
Nice.
going to Wisconsin.
We'll have a good flight.
All passengers,
Oh, thank you.
please
Safe
exit.
travels. You're welcome.
Thanks, you too. I have a feeling I never switched this back to 1080. Oh well. Oh well,
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all sea gates.
hopefully that wasn't all too shaky. I was trying to talk to people a little bit.
Please continue to hold on.
Still have not seen those new APM 300s. I might see if the next couple trains have them, because supposedly they're supposed to have them running by now. And that one there in the back, I believe, is a C100 by the looks of the nose of it. When we stop, I'll see if I can zoom in at all and try to look at it on the camera, but I believe it's a C100. Can't really see it. That's a C100 car, though. Oh, what is that?
Please continue to hold on. The train will be moving momentarily.
Anyway, I have to get my things to hop off the train. As I trudge forward. Yeah.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all sea gates.
I forgot to switch this back to 1080/60. I'm recording at 720 right now. Damn it. Whatever.
Exit here for all sea gates.
What? Anyway, I'm gonna hop off this train.
Please watch your step.
Sorry. Okay. We're off the train. Is there a 300 car available yet? They should have a set of them active. Maybe the one after this car will be a 300? I don't know. I don't know how they're supposed to have 26 of them and not have any of them in service. I've seen them in the maintenance terminal. They're here. So these are still, it's a CX. I might just get on this side here. I want to see if there's another 300 coming in. So I will pause this for the time being. Alright, well, the train is back. I figure I'm just going to hop on this one and loop around. This one is this is one of the old ones, I believe. Yep, this is a C100. I believe, yep.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all C gates.
Now I have to go back to A. Every time I try to go back to A, I always get kind of stuck on the train.
Please continue to hold on.
It's easier to go this way, though, than to try to cram in with the crowd at C. And because this is in 720, I have plenty of time for video. I did not intend that. It was actually supposed to be in regular 1080-60 quality. Wait. Balance here.
Please continue to hold on. The train will be moving momentarily.
It's interesting. There's actual security cameras in the tunnel.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station.
I'm not entirely sure how someone would go about getting out and getting on the tracks.
Exit here for all C
I
gates.
don't know if you're there.
Please watch your step.
Whole crowd coming on board here.
Okay.
Actually, not bad. So by the time I get to A, I can squeeze off here.
All right, I will. You'll be seeing the email because I'll send you first.
The doors are closing. Please keep clear and hold on for departure to all C gates.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all C gates.
Okay, so it's easy enough time getting off this train if
Exit here for
too
all
many
C
people
gates.
on board.
Please watch your step.
The doors are closing.
It's still never corrected the system. Interesting, I still got the Escalades trains here. Sure would have thought those would be gone by now.
Hold on, please. We are approaching the station for all changes. Exit here for all changes.
Okay, see you there.
Please watch your step.
That's kind of funny. Everybody's going on this train when this one's the one to terminal. That's kind of weird, actually. All right. It's a nice, easy day for trains.
The doors are closing. This train is departing.
Must be a train held up somewhere. Oh, north's clear. See if this ever goes. Wait time of 4 minutes. They must be running less trains. Which is weird.
The doors are closing. This train is departing.
Alright. And off it goes.
Board here for terminal ground transportation and baggage claim.
4, 13. That's it.